Today we're tackling a very important area of your home, the place you start and end each day, the bathroom. Spring cleaning is a great time to go through your clutter, like makeup and toiletries, and clean every inch of those hardworking surfaces. I always start by decluttering my bathroom products. Take everything off the shelves and discard expired products as you go. Not everything can or should go into the trash, so when it comes to medication and beauty products, always look up recycling programs or safe disposal methods in your area. Then, wipe down those shelves with a damp microfiber cloth. Remove the products and tools from your bathroom countertop and wipe down that surface as well. Next, clean your bathroom mirror. If you use a microfiber cloth and some pressure, you'll be left with a streak-free shine. Give the sink bowl a nice scrub down and wipe down the faucet. Don't forget to clean your things before you put them back on the counter and shelves. They can gather just as much dust as everything else. If you see items you don't use every day, consider storing them in drawers or consider if you even need them at all. This thorough cleaning is going to set your bathroom vanity up for many more happy and stress-free mornings.